come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is Defi bully. I'm over here doing a whole bunch of painting on my house, but I just want to do a quick update for you guys about the big beans, and it is paying out. Contract is almost at 3,000 BNB. Yo, but before I even get deeper into that, go over to the YouTube channel. You know the vibes. Scroll down a little bit, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because it's time sensitive, it's DeFi, it's risky, and it's not financial advice. You know why?
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.
Because all of this is entertainment. But yeah, I'm just excited, people. I was on my way to do something, but I just wanted to do a quick update video. I actually, I believe last night I compounded last night, and it brought me to 23 million beans, as you can see, 23,108,000 or whatever the case may be. And in a day, this is the best. Baked beans is the best miner ever. I feel like I'm about to turn Super Saiyan for the baked beans. Yeah, in one day, not even a full day actually, because I believe I compounded in a night, and I'm at 0.377 BNB. Let's take a look at CoinMarketCap to see how much that is at today's current value. If you look right here, I just typed it in. $156.42 in a day. When I started with the baked bean miner, I started with like $100, and I think I compounded a few days, and then I added like another $40, just compounded a little bit, and look at that. Not even I've been in this like 2 weeks, not even, just compounding. I'm already at 150 a day. What? The contract is growing, almost at 3,000 BNB. When I first got into this, I believe it was like at like 100. Shout out Crypto Corner. I started with his referral link, so I know his thing probably booming because I'm compounding, boy. Compound 6, rebake 1. Wait, hold on. I got a song coming. I ain't even gonna expose it too much. Rebate 6, then I eat 1. Rebate 6, then I eat 1. Hey, nah, but yeah, this is amazing. So I'm gonna do a live rebake for you guys because people don't be showing they rebaking. I'm gonna rebake. It's $140 something. Rebake. Shout out Crypto Kratos, shout out Juice, shout out to everybody involved in this baked beans platform. And the BCT token is out, people. Let me show you guys a quick thing. While that's doing that, let me take a look at this BCT token. Where did I have the thing pulled up? I cannot remember. Let me go to the chat real quick. Bean chart. Yeah, they always posting it in here. Take a look at that. Look at that. Right now, hold up. Let me go to a more recent one. Right now it's kind of, all right, here go the chart right here. I'm gonna open that up on PooCoin. PooCoin is a real nice app as well. All right, but if you look right here, the price is at 0.408. So it's kind of finding its floors, kind of gaining up. Yeah, so that's actually not bad. That's a good looking chart. I'm gonna continue to buy some more soon. I had some on my other, yeah, I'm gonna buy some more soon. And yeah, I mean, because there's a lot of use cases coming out. They got the NFTs, they got and the good thing about the BCT coin is when you buy the BCT coin, 5% of the transaction fees, the taxes associated with it goes directly to the baked bean miner. It goes directly to the baked bean miner, so it's making us stronger. Oh, look at that. Hold up. Did my rebate not show up? Oh no, don't do that to me. Maybe I just gotta refresh. There we go. I'm at 31 million beans. 31,625,147. And you see that contract balance just go up slightly a little bit. That's because of your boy. Keep rebaking. Everybody that's joining, and you want to join, use my use the referral link down below. It doesn't affect you in any way. Just show some appreciation for me to introducing it to you and hyping you up about it. And then if you get somebody that want to join, you could get them your referral link right down here, or you could get them mine. Whatever, the more the merrier. Y'all stay blessed. Everybody, let's get this money. Let's compound our way to financial freedom. How about that bullpen? Run it up to financial freedom. And also, I keep forgetting this. I have a new Telegram group. It's called Bullpen Millionaires. Bullpen Millionaires. The link for my Telegram group will be down in the description. Sometimes I can't make these videos fast enough, and I just let the information out on my Telegram group. So stay connected, stay posted, like this video, because you know the content is real. It's real. The baked beans, boy. Let's get it. I'm gonna stop making so much noise. And it's not financial advice. I'm out.